Have you guys ever wondered that why some of the trees fall down in spite of being healthy and strong from the outside? Is there a way to find out what's happening inside the tree, the internal health of the tree? Yes, there is, and we're going to talk exactly about that today. Hi, my name is Vaibhav. I'm an ISO certified arborist and partner at Tricotech Mumbai. So to do an advanced assessment or internal decay assessment, we first carry out a visual tree assessment, wherein we go to each and every tree and we see what are the defects involved, how is the tree faring, how is the tree behaving or responding to the external environment, and what are the defects present within the tree, and that tells us the next story. So for example, this tree here we identified here, and we've seen a lot of defect. One of the defect here is a fungal brackets. You can see a lot of fungal brackets growing around at the base of the tree here, which indicates a lot of internal decay happening. But it's not the end of the world that the tree is going to fall tomorrow. It's just that it's an indicator that the tree is at a very high level risk because of the internal decay at the base, happening at the base itself. So what we are going to do now is going to assess the tree and find out how much of internal decay is present in the tree. To do that, we have a resistograph machine with us, which helps you quantify the amount of decay within the tree without having to cut down the tree. So what this machine does, basically, there is a needle which drills into the tree and it measures the resistance which it encounters as it drills. So wherever there is a high quality wood, a sound wood or a healthy wood, the resistance shows a spike, the graph shows a spike, and wherever there is an unhealthy wood or a decayed wood, the graph shows a dip, which means there is a lot of decay inside the tree. So you're going to see the practical application of that same. So I'm going to place it here, and if we can start the drill now, you will be able to see it in the graph. So you see, initially you can see a healthy wood. Now you can see the dip happening, internal decay from 14 centimeters onwards. You can see a lot of internal decay in there. Still going with the internal decay, not so good. So this machine drills up to 50 centimeters of depth, and then it automatically retracts. So there you go. So this machine shows you exactly how much sound wood is there. So up to 13 centimeters there is healthy wood. As you can see, the centimeter drilling depth, and beyond 13 centimeters you can see a lot of things happening inside. A lot of decay and unhealthy wood present inside. So this is just one way. It's not just we drill the tree and we then declare it as a high risk tree. We look at the other parameters. We do a couple of more drills at various heights, at various angles. We do a detailed assessment, and then we decide what recommendations can be done. For particularly this tree, we are going to recommend a lot of crown reduction and see how it fares probably for the next 2 or 3 years. And if the problem escalates, we might consider taking the tree down completely. So that's how we do the advanced tree risk assessment here. Thanks a lot for watching. Please leave your comments below, and also please like and share our videos. Thank you so much.